Doing a review of this company on this one website right here, and I'm like, what in the world? Alrighty guys, in today's video I've got a place where you can do graphic design for this one particular company and make $20 to $24 per hour. And there's another way on this particular company to make $60 also and work your way all the way up even to even more money. So there's two ways that you're going to be able to make money with this particular site that I'm going to show you today. So if you're interested in this and you're into like graphic design, then this video is going to be for you. You want to stick around, and we're going to get started on that here right now. Alrighty guys, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see here. And if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before and still haven't yet subscribed to the channel, well, while you're thinking about it and we're talking about it here, just go ahead and reach down there below your video. You'll see this subscribe button that you see right here. And right next door to it there will be that little bell icon. Just click on that so that you get notified when I upload new videos, what you do fairly regularly on this channel. Okay? Alright, well, let's go ahead and get started in on this video here today right off the bat. I was doing a little research over here on Glassdoor.com. Glassdoor is a site that reviews companies and how well people like them, how well their employees like them or enjoy working for them, and so on and so forth. And this particular site I was looking at here is called 99 Designs, and people here really like it real well. These are former and current employees, and they give them a 5-star rating, as you can see here. People like this company and they love to work for this company. Got lots of different good reviews here by the employees of this particular company. So I thought, well, let's see, that's pretty good. Let's check this out here. So I came over here to 99designs.com. You see it right up here, and it's up here in the address bar, 99designs.com. You can start, what this is, this site is where companies can come here and hire designers such as you and I to design their logos or their websites or their book covers or their, all kinds of things, as you see right here. And they do all kinds of different things, and there's a whole lot more. And then they get designs. They even create contests, and the companies will pick maybe you to work directly with you if they want, if they like your design portfolio, and or you can get involved in contests that companies hire many different designers to create a contest to see which one they like the best, and so on and so forth. So this is a really reputable company. As you saw there on Glassdoor, all their employees like this particular company. And you can see here some of the other things that they do designs for. I mean, it's just applications, logo, business card, just all kinds of different things here that they do graphic design for, and just even beverage cans and so on and so forth. So if you like to design, this is one way that you can come to this site and become a designer. That's the first way that you can make money with this site if you like to design. And the way you do that is come here to 99designs.com, click on Designers Join Now right here, and it says here to fire up your freelance career. It's free to apply for this, and so on and so forth. You just click Apply Now, and it brings you over, and then you just simply fill out this form right here, choose a display name, and then make sure that you check the box here for the terms and the privacy policy, and then just click register, and you will probably be sent a email confirmation, so you want to make sure you check for that. Some of the other things about it here, when you apply, they have a design community you've always wanted. I mean, they'll teach you. You start out at a lower tier as an entry-level designer and work your way up to top tier, and of course making more money at that particular time when you raise your level of experience up if you're a new into design. And they talk about here how much you can earn right here on this frequently asked questions here. And although they're very vague about that, they don't say really here directly. 99 Designs is free to sign up and start your freelancing, and rates and rewards vary depending on the type of design work, and you'll be paid in 3 business days. And I think it's either by check or by bank deposit. My guess is going to be by bank deposit. I haven't seen yet on here how they pay, but but I'm going to say probably direct deposit through ACH, through your bank, and so on and so forth. This can be done from anywhere in the world too, guys. They take designers from all over the world, and it's free to apply. As we come down through here, we can see other things about this and some of the major companies that work with this 99 Designs here: Wall Street, TechCrunch, Entrepreneur, New York Times, and Forbes. So if you're into design, you can come and work for this company. You will be an independent contractor, so you work when you want. If you look right here, work on what you want, when you want, and where you want, all with great projects from reliable clients from all over the world. And you're supported, as is your work managed, from designer support to regular platform updates. We make sure 99 Designs is the best place for you to work. And as you saw on Glassdoor, a lot of their employees in the company have absolutely good things to say about 99 Designs. As you see right here, fantastic company, creatively plus tech, putting people first, wonderful people, and so on and so forth. 99 reasons to be a part of an amazing company culture, and so on and so forth. So this is a good, reputable company that you can come and be an independent contractor with and be a designer. Now, if you're not a designer and you want to get started in this, you can do it even for free. You can, if you need to make a design to enter like one of their contests or something like that, you can come over to Free Logo Design right here and this will actually make a design for you automatically. And you can see some of the logo designs right here that this site will do for you, and they can be edited as well. It'll do it automatically. You just type in what they want, the name of the company, and you can choose a category here and whatever business or whatever category or niche that the company is in, and you can create it automatically if you didn't want to do it yourself. And you can also come over to this site here, designevo.com, and you see it up here in the address bar, designevo.com, and you can use this site to create free logos as well, and they can also be edited on this site as well. As you see, these are some really nice professional looking logos here that you can use when you join 99 Designs to become a graphic designer for this site as well. Or if you'd like to do them on your own, you can do that as well. Now, how much does a designer get paid? Well, I did a little research since it was kind of vague in telling us on their site here. I did a little research and found that there is a blog post about it here, and it says, let's take a look here, right here. Let's take a look at how experience affects average pay estimates for graphic designers. From 0 to 2 years experience, a graphic designer can expect, like it says right here, salary.com estimates the yearly salary for this category of designers with 0 to 2 years experience to be about $49,000 per year, or $24 per hour. And then payscale.com estimates it at about $40,000 or $20 per hour. So you can expect to make $20 to $24 per hour if you're just starting out with this company, or if you have 2 to 5 years experience already and you want to join this company, you can start out at $27 per hour to $22 per hour, in that range right there, and then it goes on up from there as well. Anybody that's got 5 or 7 years experience there, it'll be $34 per hour to $25, so $25 to $34 per hour. So that's one way that you can make money with this site. If you're a graphic designer and you want to come and be a part of this, you can certainly join at this site here as a freelancer for free and get started. And if you need help, you can always use Free Logo and Design Evo to help you in your designs as well, and give you a way to learn how to get better at designs even as well too. In fact, they might even suggest that to you in the support group. You never know. Now, that was one way. Now, the other way, if we come down here to the bottom of the page down here, scroll all the way down, and if you look right here, I don't know if you can see it, but right here it says affiliates right here, right? they have an affiliate program here. So if you click on that, it'll bring you over here to this page right here. And you can see it's earn money as an affiliate, help others help themselves with the power of branding, earn uncapped commissions when you refer new customers to 99 Designs. Join our affiliate program today, and you can click sign up, and it will bring you over here to this page right here. And you can see that they've got languages United States, and you can see that, look, it's got languages from all over the world. And then you just simply fill out this form here and go through their form process here, and then get your affiliate account with this site right here. And the country here, just to show you, like I was telling you earlier, that this is available all over the world. If you'll look right here, it literally is everywhere in the whole world. You can come to 99designs.com and be a part of this site, either as a designer or an affiliate, okay? And just go through this process and fill this out, and get your affiliate account and begin to make money as an affiliate on this site. Now, what you can do is how it works here. Start earning money as an affiliate partner in 3 easy steps. You simply sign up, promote their brand, and get paid. And then it'll come down here, it talks away, it says work your way up. Starting off as an associate affiliate, you'll rise through our commission tiers to capitalize on your clout. So you can start out as an associate. I guess this is considered the bronze level right here, where you can make $60, like I was telling you, $60 per sale. Begin your journey earning $60 commission for every new contest customer that you refer. And then once you bring in 25 sales, you level up to an affiliate partner, earning $80 at the silver level. $80 per affiliate customer. And then after that, once you bring in 50 lifetime sales affiliates, you can move up to the gold level here and earn $100 per customer or affiliate you bring to 99designs.com. So you can, it's simply easy enough to do that. If you want to, they talk about here some different questions about it. Some of the places that you could advertise this would be certainly Facebook groups, Instagram. You can do it on Reddit. You can do it on Quora. But if you're going to put your affiliate link on Reddit and Quora, you probably want to make a landing page, because I know Quora doesn't take affiliate links. Okay, I'm not quite sure about Reddit. Landing page, you can use this site right here, pastelink.net. You guys may have seen me use this in other videos, and it's nothing to sign up here. You don't have to sign up or anything. You simply just come here and click start now, and you can create a nice landing page right here on this site, and click publish, and it'll give you your link up here, and you can direct your customers from Quora, and might as well do it with Reddit too, and direct your customers over to your landing page, which will have your affiliate link right here, and then you can direct them to 99 Designs. Like say, go to Quora.com and answer a question on Quora, because people are looking for a logo design, right? Just type in their search engine, I need a logo design, or I'm looking for professional logo design, just any kind of keywords you can think of, and you'll find people asking these questions, and you just simply answer their question, give them a good response, a good value response, and then direct them to your page saying, I have a place that can help you make a great logo design, and direct them over to your landing page right here at Pastelink, and then direct them back to your affiliate link, taking them back over here to 99 Designs, and if they sign up there, you'll get paid either the 60, the 80, or the $100 level, depending on where you're at that particular time. Alrighty guys, well that's what I had for you in the video today. If you like this video, and down there and give me a thumbs up if you would, it'll help my channel. And also have an idea for a affiliate marketing business, and you want to see my #1 recommended business down there, click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com at the top of my description, and come over and see my #1 recommended business platform there. And I'll leave you guys with that. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. And I'll let you guys go with that. I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care and have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.